Hi everyone, and today we are going to understand how to change the clothes of an image. Yes, you can change the clothes of anyone in an image. And secondly, we are also going to check it out how to change the background of an image. Not only change the background, but what background should now be inserted. So whatever just comes to your mind, we can do that. So let's check it out. Now, what we have done, we have opened Google. Now, once you open Google, what you need to type over here is Adobe Firefly. Okay, so once you type Adobe Firefly, you will arrive at this particular stuff, adobe.com and Adobe Firefly generative AI for everyone. Just need to click on this. Once you will click on this, you will be able to arrive at this home page. The first thing which you need to do over here is just need to sign in. So on the top right hand side, you can see a column in blue over here, and therein you need to just go and sign in with your Google account. I have already signed in, so I will not go over there, and just scroll down. Once I will scroll down, I will see there are different kinds of features available now in Firefly. With AI coming up, you can do text to image, you can go text effects, and you can also go for the generative fill. But today we are going to talk about the generative fill option. So what to look after that? Just click on generate option. Once I go and click on the generate option, now what I arrive at is over uploading an image. So either I can upload my own image in which I want to change the clothes, or I can just choose a sample to just see an example over here. But yeah, you can try it on your own image, and just tell me in the description, in the comment box, that what do you feel, how did you realize it, did you enjoy it or not. But right now let me just tell it up with a sample. So we can take any sample from here. Let us take this one, and you can see, let me just click this one. Okay, so I just click this one, and you can see that we have a girl which is in orange jacket, and there is a background which is a blurry background. So what we need to do now, in order to change the clothes, we can see that we have few options present over here: add, subtract, settings, background, invert. Now first of all, we need to do certain particular settings. What settings? Let's go to the settings option. So once you go to the settings option, the very first thing which we need to do is just increase the hardness of this brush. Okay, so you go to the settings option, increase the hardness of the brush. So I will just increase it to the maximum, almost say 92%. Okay, and then the brush size, what type of brush size you need. So I will just increase it. Now why it is required, you will just come to know in next steps. Okay? Now you have a circle out here. Now why this is required? This is required to to remove it particularly. Now let me just try to remove this jacket and want to bring out a new image or a new cloth to this particular pic. So how to do that? So if I will do like this, you can see I'm able to remove it. But if it goes onto the background just like this, then what to do? So here's a subtract option. Click on that and then just correct it. Okay, now I've corrected it all away. Now let me just choose it. Don't need to be too much accurate, just have free hand and just click this add option and try to then select the entire image. Okay, and I will do that, and it will just take you only few seconds and you will be able to complete it. So you can see I have already completed it, and I have selected the entire clothing. Now once I have done that, what next to do? Now what type of clothes would you like this model to wear? Let me just check it out. Let's say a denim jacket. Will that fine? Let me just enter it over here. Okay, denim jacket, and let me just click on generate. Now once I have clicked on generate, it will take few moments to give you few options. So not only a single option, but it will provide you few options from which you can choose from which looks better. Now here is the result. You can see, and it's really fantastic. The first one, you can see you have a denim jacket with a scarf out there, and that really looks good. Let me just choose the second option. This also looks good. Let me just go for the third. This also looks perfect. So you have now three different options coming out, and you can see it just happened in a matter of minutes, or rather seconds, I will say. And once I have done that, let me choose this pic and I will click on keep. So I've selected my pic, the clothes have changed. Isn't it a magic? Just apply it on your pic also and tell me what happened. And then you can also see we can also change this background. Now how to do that? Now I will just go to this background option and will click on background. Once I will click on background, it will automatically remove the background. The subject has automatically been captured and the background has been removed. Now what background we should enter? What comes to your mind? You can just think and can tell me. Right now what we can do, let's enter marketplace, better shopping mall. So I will just put a shopping mall over here, and let me click on generate, and let's see the magic. So let's wait for certain seconds. Till then, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share the video. And it is taking a bit of moments, and here it is. You can see the results. Now you have the background of a mall. Let's choose the second pick. This also looks better. Third one, this also looks better. So now you have three different options to choose from. You can choose anyone and can click on keep. So now if you want to download this pic, just go to the download option over here, just click on this, and you will be able to download the image right onto your PC. Just click on don't show again and click on continue. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, do hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.